Way back 2017, nung nag-start kami, si Sir June, siya yung nag-training sa detailing sa amin. Client tayo nila, sir. Sa kanila tayo kumukuha ng mga detailing products natin.
I think here in the car show is evidence enough na the car culture is alive dito sa atin and growing.
Natin si Sir Omar. As you can remember, sina Syndicate Customs, yung Mustang nila, naka-million color, galing sa Nippon Paint yun.
We are supplying to top companies like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and also we are now catering here sa auto refinish market. As you have said, yung dumaan kayo sa kabila kay Syndicate Customs, ito yung mga special colors natin, sir. Kasi syempre, ang pinaka-problem sa paint industry is ulan, araw, ulan. So yun ang nakakapag-degrade ng material. Normally, if premium brand ang ginamit mo, it could last for 7 to 10 years.
You don't need a top of the line if you're not just doing it once in a while. If you're doing 3 times a year, go with a simpler setup.
Okay.
Start with the basics, then upgrade when you are more committed to it.
Okay. Actually,
Polished.
sobrang caught yung attention ko dito sa booth nyo kasi yung color combination.
Yeah.
Ang linis kasi tingnan.
Yeah. If we don't get the weight right, then we change the suspension. We either have a very soft ride or a very harsh ride. Food for thought.
Let's say for 100,000, sir.
Yep.
Ano na pong mararating na?
You can get a crossbar, a side awning, and a soft shell roof tent. Pasok na yan. The best way is go to Overland Kings. All our tents are displayed. Check it one by one.
Makakapili ka, sir. Yeah.
Pick and match what you like before you decide. Mas magandang option.
Medyo na-starstruck ako doon, pare. Kasi di ba, nakipapanood mo lang yun sa YouTube, di ba? Ayun, nakita mo na sa personal. Sir, Gene po. Gene po. Actually, sir, kliyente niyo po ako. Sa Pampanga po, Wash Authority, sinusuplayan niyo po kami. Yes po. Way back 2017, nung nag-start kami, si Sir June, siya yung nag-training sa detailing sa amin. Right now, yung company medyo nag-grow na, kahit pa paano. Gumagawa lang kami ng vlog, sir, regarding sa products na Meguiar's yun.
What's your name again?
Gene, sir, Gene. Kayo po?
Alec.
Alec. Sir, okay lang?
Sure,
Vlog?
no problem.
Okay. So, hi guys! Welcome back. So, kasama ko si Sir Alec dito sa Meguiar's. So, guys, yung Meguiar's, guys, isa sa mga pinakakilalang brand in terms of detailing and personally sa Wash Authority. Client tayo nila, sir. Sa kanila tayo kumukuha ng mga detailing products natin para siguradong maganda ang kalalabasan at safe yung mga products natin sa mga paint ng car.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Sir, may ano bang mga bagong products natin ngayon sa detailing?
Well, basically, wala naman new except for more the maintenance lines sa mga ceramic natin na uso na sobra-sobra ang ceramic. One thing I'd like to share with everybody is kahit na naka-ceramic ka, doesn't mean you don't have to maintain the ceramic coating.
Yes, that's correct.
To maintain its hydrophobicness, kailangan pa rin maintain. So, we have a bunch of products now specifically designed from car washes to spray detailers to actually maintain your ceramic coating.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sa tingin nyo, sir, ano po kaya yung kapupuntahan ng detailing market sa Philippines? Sa tingin nyo po ba, nag-grow po ba lalo?
I think the growth of the industry is really dependent on the car owner.
Opo.
The car owner, how anong level of appearance, maintenance na gusto nilang ilabish sa kanilang auto. You know, some guys don't really care about the itsura, basta hindi lang tumigil, di ba? Hindi lang titigil, okay na sa akin yan. And then our business really appearance maintenance, whether it's the outside of the car or the inside of the car. And that depends on the car owner himself, di ba? Level of shine, level of protection, level of newness. Kahit yung simple, mabago. Simple lang. It's really, I think the car industry sales alone is going up, new car sales. So it's really the culture, whether the culture will grow in tandem with the car sales. I think here in the car show is evidence enough na the car culture is alive dito sa atin and growing.
Yes, that is correct, sir. Sir, final question.
Yeah.
Kasi di ba marami ng bagong technologies ngayon. For example, paint protection film, no, introduced in the market. Baka meron ng product yung Meguiar's in order to maintain or further prolong the lifespan of PPF.
Same thing with PPF and wraps, you know. It's another way to protect your paint. But just like ceramic coatings, graphene coatings, and the PPFs now, you still have to maintain your PPF. It still will get dirty.
Yes.
It will protect the paint, but if it's dirty, then your car looks dirty.
Yes.
So there still needs to be washed, and sometimes it has to be contaminated depending on how dirty your wraps get. You know, and same thing with coating. Coating especially, again, it's a myth that everybody has with coatings. Now, I don't have to wash my car, I don't have to shampoo the car, I don't have to do a lot to my ceramic coating car, which is not true. You still have to make. Admittedly, the maintenance for a ceramic coating is not as often as a regular wax car.
Yes.
But it still requires.
Baka may sir, masuggest kayo ng products, no, sir, sa mga viewers natin, especially sa mga naka-ceramic coating or naka-PPF na sasakyan.
Ceramic coating, my go-to. Ceramic detailer. That's all you need to maintain your ceramic coating.
Is it safe, sir, kung sakaling naka-PPF din yung car?
Yes.
Yes, safe to use, sir. So yun guys, if ever naka-ceramic coating kayo or naka-PPF kayo, sir, highly suggest ceramic detailer.
Ceramic detailer or one of our newest ones are waterless wash and wax. So, tinatamad pumunta na ng car wash.
Yun, no? Para kapag sa bahay na lang, sir, no?
It's really more for touch-up. Sometimes, you have just a leakable problem.
Yes.
And nagdadalawang isip ka, car wash ko ba to? So you're caught between, that's a dilemma. So if it's light dusting, pwede na yan.
So sir, pwede yun kapag naputulan ka ng tubig.
Lalo na. Di ba? Nakatulog. Diba? No choice. Diba?
Anyway, sir, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for
guys, Sir Alec.
patronizing us.
Sir Alec of Migor.
Wash Authority.
Yes, sir. Sir, partner na namin siya since 2017, guys. So, nag-start tayo. Isa sila sa mga tumulong sa atin sa detailing.
Thank you
sir.
for dropping by.
Sir.
Thank you.
Hi, so, guys, Gene po, Wash Authority po. Actually, we have a booth po with partnership with Syndicate Customs.
Okay.
Oo, sir. So, pwede po bang short interview lang, sir, regarding dun sa paano na-achieve yung mga tri-color, mga chameleon color, or special colors ni Nippon Paint?
Okay, sir.
Hi guys, so kasama natin si Sir Omar. As you can remember, sina Syndicate Customs, yung Mustang nila na chameleon color, galing sa Nippon Paint yon. Na-achieve nila yon through special colors ni Nippon Paint. Sir, can you tell me more about Nippon Paint, sir?
Yeah, Nippon Paint is actually an OEM paint. We are the #1 paint sa Philippines and also in Japan with regards sa mga products for automotive. We are supplying to top companies like Toyota, Mitsubishi, and also we are now catering here sa auto refinish market. So, I think as you have said, yung dumaan kayo sa kabila, Syndicate Customs, ito yung mga special colors natin, sir. Technically, ito yung sinasabi natin nag-ship ng colors or common na tinatawag natin chameleon, sir.
Yes, sir. So, parang siya, sir, from one side, ganitong color siya. Pero paano yun, sir? Minimix sila, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually, meron siyang special colors na colorant. This colorant can do at least 2 liters. Highly pigmented siya, colorant, technically. And then, ilalagay mo lang siya sa isang parang binder or tawag natin parang resin.
Alright.
And then, makukuha mo na yung ganitong color shade. So, ito yung mga classic sample. Meron kaming 32 colors available.
Wow, ang dami, sir. Ang
Yes, sir.
dami. Sir, if you don't mind me asking, what's special about Nippon Paint compared to its competitors?
Yes. Maganda yung tanong mo, sir.
Yes.
Technically, pag sinipon, they always say na medyo expensive. But technically, we are a little bit cheaper compared sa mga top brands sa ibang bansa. But we are still better in quality.
Yes.
Drying time, mas mababa yung drying time namin. And high build. Kamukha ng mga ibang products namin, kagaya ng mga ganito. Like this clear, it is a high solid, high gloss, high excellent chemical resistant. So, kapal ng pintura is mas mataas rather than sa mga common brands, especially sa local brand.
Okay.
But still, fast drying siya.
Oh, I see. Grabe.
Yeah. So ito yung ginamit doon kay Syndicate Custom pagdating
Yung sa
sa
Mustang, yes.
sa top coat clear niya. Then yung ilalim niya, ito yung mga special colors na ginamit.
Kaya pala. Usually, Nippon Paint, sir, kumbaga more on the premium side of the paint.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Of course, meron din naman tayong mga economical grade. But depende sa budget ng customer.
Usually, sir, if you don't mind me asking, yung sa mga OEM na mention nyo before, so
Yes.
sa mga nabubuong sakyan dito, Nippon Paint po ang gamit nila.
Yung mga OEM, yes.
OEM.
Normally, kahit, I know, if pwede tayo magbanggit ng mga
Yeah,
brands.
yeah. Very usually, yes,
like, yung mga yon normally, signi po ng from primer, kulay, up to clear coats.
Oh, kaya pala yung mga kapag original color yung car, usually pagka
Yes, especially yung mga Japanese car.
Japanese car, usually sir matagal yung paint nila di ba?
Yes, sir. Last to 3 to 5 years. Depende rin siyempre kung may shade yung area mo.
Yes.
Kasi siyempre, ang pinaka-problem sa paint industry is ulan, araw, ulan. So, yun ang nakakapagpa-degrade ng materials. So that's why we are doing some raw materials like kagaya ito. Yung kanyang UV resistance mataas. Meaning, umulan, umaraw, hindi ka agad magpe-fade yung color ng sasakyan mo. Okay.
So sir, di ba may economical grade po kayo?
Yes, sir.
Sinabi niya 3 to 5 years, ganun?
Mga ganun.
Apo. What if itong premium nyo naman yung ginamit, sir? Usually, gaano katagal?
Normally, if premium brand ang ginamit mo, it could last for 7 to 10 years.
Wow.
Meron nga ako isang client, one time nag-meet kami, then sabi niya sa akin, Sir, alam mo ba itong kotse na to 10 years na? Ganun pa rin yung color shade, ganun pa rin yung kanyang clarity and of course gloss. Wow. Yeah.
Wow, grabe sir, sa 10 years, sobrang sulit na lang.
Sulit na yun. Of course, hindi niya masyadong ginagamit, sabi niya. Pero, the mere fact na within 10 years, intact pa rin yung color and gloss, okay pa rin, di ba?
Thank you, sir. Sir, last na lang. Baka may message kayo sa mga nanonood sa atin na nagko-consider na magpapintura ng sasakyan at bakit Nippon Paint ang kanilang kailangan piliin.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Again, Nippon Paint is one of the top paint in the whole world. Actually, in Asia, we are the #1 paint company sa Asia. And in Japan, we are the #1 paint company in Japan. I'm assuring you that our product is one of the best in terms of the market, especially in yung aming auto refinish market. So, if you have time, let's visit our booth here in Manila Auto Salon sa SMX. And of course, you can see our product sa Syndicate Custom. Nandun, both yung products na yon is painted 100% using Nippon Paint.
Wow, wow. So yun guys ha, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, consider Nippon Paint, nandito sila sa Manila Auto Salon. But kung hindi man, katapos dito, punta lang kayo sa Syndicate Customs, guys, para sure na Nippon Paint ang gagamitin sa inyong sasakyan. Sir Omar, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for your time. Thank you,
sir. Thank you. Pag yung ano ko, sir, yung Mercedes ko, Nippon Paint pa
Ay, walang problema, boss. Sabihan mo lang ako. Ako nang bahala.
Sige, sir. Sabi mo yan.
Oo. Yung materials lang, ha?
Oo.
Gagamitin natin yung mga top of the line.
Yun, sir. Yan.
Top of the line. I don't know kung mas okay sa'yo yung ganito or yung mga classic pa rin.
Siguro, sir, I'm more on classic ako.
I-message mo ko, sir.
Sige, sir.
Of course, kaya syndicate na lang natin ilapit.
Sure, sir. Walang problema, sir. Sir Omar, thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much po. So, iwan ko na po kayo, sir. Ikot po una.
Oo, alam mo naman, busy rin ka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was nice meeting you, sir. Hi, guys. Andito tayo sa Overland Kings. Kasama namin si sir, yung owner na unang ang Overland King. So, sir...
What's your name, bro? Joel.
Sir
Gene,
Joel.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, sir, actually, my wife and I, planning talaga kami mag-set up ng for overlanding.
Okay.
Kaya nanonood din kami actually ng mga videos niyo.
Okay.
Since nandito na rin ako, gusto ko sana mag-inquire, sir, kung paano ba kami mag-start kasi wala kami masyadong alam eh.
Well, you start with you answer a few questions. How many people?
Well, 4 kami.
4.
Yes.
How often do you want to go out?
Maybe once or twice a month.
That much? Commit
Maybe
yun, ha?
Bagay. Once a month is enough, I think.
Yung practical lang. Kasi
Practical lang.
those questions are crucial because those questions will answer what type of gear.
Okay.
You don't need the top of the line if you're not just doing it once in a while. If you're doing 3 times a year, go with a simpler setup.
Okay.
Start with the basics, then upgrade when you are more committed to it.
Okay.
So, kasi the last thing you want is you overdid it, tapos sayang yung gamit. So, a couple of things that I usually consider is get some sort of shade, like an awning or a roof tent or a ground tent. Anong style mo? Some sort of way to eat. So, you're fine if you have your old kitchen gear. If you're into cooking, then saka tayo mag-invest ng cooking setup. Some sort of storage. Storage can be boxes. Store boxes, Pelican boxes, Mammoth boxes, right? Or you can go drawer system. Or even as simple as a pull-out T-mat system would work. So, and then, yun, okay na yan. So, after that, you have your Ford Ranger, right? And then, then you can go with aesthetics. Ano trip mo?
Actually, sir, sa akin, gusto ko nga yung yung method na wheels na,
Yep.
na ganitong finish.
Okay.
Actually,
Polished.
sobrang caught yung attention ko dito sa booth niyo kasi yung color combination.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ang linis kasi tingnan.
Yeah.
Yun yung na-appreciate ko.
Cool.
So, right now, stock talaga sa yung pickup. So, I think kailangan natin mag-upgrade ng suspension.
No,
Di pa po?
not necessary. You can, but it's not necessary.
Oh, so it's not necessary pa?
Not necessary.
At the moment.
But I will not stop you from upgrading an aesthetic look.
Yeah.
Kasama sa laro yan eh.
Kasama, yeah.
It must be functional, but it gotta look good, right?
Yeah.
So that's the only time I would recommend suspension. Last time suspension, because we want to get all the weight right before you change suspension.
Oh,
If we don't get the weight right, then we change the suspension. We either have a very soft ride or a very harsh ride. Food for thought.
That's an interesting perspective.
Yeah. So you want to
ko
put,
alam yan.
let's say you put the canopy first, then you say you want a roof. You don't have to do it all together, pero you know what the direction you want to take. Para ready yung suspension.
So sir, kayo po, ano mo masasuggest nyo? If ever kami ng wife ko gusto namin mag-start, ano yung dapat namin unahin?
Go with the hardware, the main hardware. So a good consideration would be a canopy.
Okay.
Para ma-mount natin yung mga gamit.
Okay.
Pag hindi canopy, you have a bed rack, pwede rin. Or you can do a roof rack lang, as simple as that. That won't even dent the bank account. 15,000 lang ang side on. So it doesn't have to be expensive, but it can be if you overdo it. So like maybe you budget maybe about 100,000, you get something already going.
For, let's say for 100,000, sir,
Yep.
ano na pong mararating nun?
You can get a crossbar, a side awning, and a soft shell roof tent. Pasok na yan. Hard shell roof tents will cost you more, but they're the more advanced systems. 90,000 per roof tent yan. Up to 300,000. The best way is go to Overland Kings. All our tents are displayed. Check it one by one.
Makakapili ka, sir. Yeah.
Pick and match what you like before you decide. Mas magandang option.
But if you can give me a rough estimate, sir, if ever I would like to do suspension and of course the canopy, and I would also want to have a water system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Water system, canopy, wheels, tires, the works.
Yeah.
Budget 500K.
500K?
Yep.
Alright.
Get you somewhere.
Get somewhere. But sir has previously said that the ARB is a very good for comfort ride.
Correct.
So, dun sa budget po ba na 500, enough na yun for ARB?
ARB still has multiple levels.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So there's Nitro Chargers, MD64s, and BB51. This is a BB51. This one is 150,000 off the bat.
Okay.
You don't necessarily need that.
Need this one.
So just generally ARBs are more comfortable. It's just some are more tunable, some are fixed. So this is the most tunable. You can do rebound and compression. We'll get there.
We'll get
Pick your gear. I'll recommend what suspension will
Sige,
work for
sir. Sir, saan po kasi yung Overland Kings?
Overland
Para-
Kings is in Parañaque. So if you're from here, just take a Skyway, Bigudan exit, right by the service road, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir. Dadali ko po yung pick-up ko, sir. Like, legit. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Sir Joel, for the time.
Very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Let's see you soon.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Thank
Sir, salamat po. Thank you po. See you po. So guys, ayun, nakausap natin Sir Joel. Grabe, pare. Medyo na-starstruck ako doon, pare. Kasi di ba, nakipapanood mo lang yung sa YouTube, di ba? Ayun, nakita mo na sa personal. Di rin sinasabi ng videographer natin, pare. Idol di rin pala yun, di ba? Pero guys, legit guys, sobrang interested kami ng wife ko kasi recently, pampatulog namin yung overlanding, pare. Matutulog, magka-camping, pare. And guys, ang dami kong natutunan na hindi mo naman pala kailangan yung pinakamahal agad. And yung mga suspension, di ba, yung mga gulong, pwede naman pala mahuli yun kasi kailangan pala mapaplano mo muna ano yung mga gusto mong ikarga sa pickup para yung suspension, tama yung ilalagay mo. Grabe, no? Ngayon ko lang nalaman. So guys, sana magkaroon tayo ng time kasi tatapusin lang natin yung Wash Authority Bataan pero pupunta tayo ng Overland Kings, guys. Dadalhin natin yung luma nating Granger doon, pare, para sa part ng kanyang transformation kasi susunod na project natin yun. So, stay tuned guys. Samahan nyo ako dahil vlog natin yun. So guys, baka dito na natin tapusin yung video na to. Guys, thank you for watching. Kung umabot kayo sa part na to, sana nag-enjoy kayo dahil kami, sobrang nag-enjoy kami. So guys, if you like this video, isang like, isang comment, napakalaking bagay para malaman din natin kung ulitin natin to next year. So this is Boss Gene, signing out.